So it's time to do merge sort algorithm practically. So I had created a HTML file and inside I have a script tag. I'm gonna write this merge sort algorithm with plain JavaScript. So what I need to do, let's create an arrow function and like a const. Give it name of merge sort example. Inside it, I'm gonna take a array, let array of 54321, and what I'm gonna do, console.log and unsorted array. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna sort it in a ascending order. So unsorted array is our array. Give it some space. And let's call this function here, merge sort example. Save this, and if I refresh my window and go to console, here you can see this is our unsorted array 54321. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a arrow function of merge sort. So const merge sort, it will hold a parameter of array, and let's take the parameter of unsorted array. And what I'm going to do, if the length of our array is less than or equal to 1, like if my array is consisting of only one element, then it will return the array as well. Like if it is holding only a single element, so we do not need to sort it. So write the condition for that. So unsorted array dot length less than equal to 1, then we do not need to sort it. I just return unsorted array only. And here just copy this line, paste here, and call our function merge sort and pass the argument here of our array. Now if our array containing more than one element, so what we need to do, first of all we need to find the midpoint of our array. So let's take const, this will be the middle point, and what it will be, unsorted array dot length divided by 2. Oops, there will be assignment operator there. And if I'm gonna console.log middle point is, or we can say middle index is our middle. Save this and move to our browser, just refresh it. There you can see I'm getting the value of 2.5, which is not a integer. It is int value, like it is a floating value. I'm getting it in decimal, so I'm just converting it by using math.floor, that will return the nearest value, like according to the decimal. It will remove the decimal and take this one, and this will be unsorted array, and save this. There you can see, like our array is consisting of 5 elements, 1 2 3 4 5, and the middle index is 2. Like if we're gonna divide 5 by 2, then it will take return the value of 2. So it means our left array will take 2 element, and right array will take rest of the element, which is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So take a const left, and while left gonna hold is unsorted array. I need the sub array from my unsorted array, and I can easily get this by using slice method. As in slice method, if I'm gonna pass the range, like from 0 index to my middle index, I need the value in the left array, and rest of the value I need in the right array. So copy this line and paste here, and inside my right array, what I'm going to do here, I just need the remaining part values of my array. So if I'm gonna make it console.log, like left array is left, and I'm gonna paste the line once more. Just copy this, copy this one, and here is right array is right. So what I'm gonna approach, like from 0 to middle index, for our array we have middle index is 2. It means 5 and 4 will be in the left array, and 3 to 1 will be in the right array. So just move to our browser, refresh it. So you can see left array holding 2 elements, 5 and 4, and right array holding 3 elements, 3 to 1. Okay, that's the required output. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna make the recursive call, like if we are holding the 5 for element in the left array, it will make the call of function again, and just divide the array till we get a single element in our array. So next time in left it will hold 5, and right it will hold 4, as and in right array, if we divide this, it holding 3 element, and its midpoint will be become 1, and in left array it will hold only single element 3, and right it will hold 2 and 1. Just make our recursive call here. What I'm going to do, I'm just calling the same method, merge sort, and pass your left, copy this line, and then I'm gonna again pass here right. Save this, and let's see the output here. There you can see left array holding a single element 5, right 4. It is starting just from the bottom, like left array holding 5 and 4, and 3 to 1, as we already see. Then after, for left array, it's holding element 3, and right 4, 2 and 1, just from right. And if we further divide it, left array is holding 2, and right array holding 1 only. And at last, for left array, at starting we have 5 and 4, and at last it will give the output of left array holding 5 and then right array holding 4. Now every array has a single element in it. So just write all of both of things in a single line, and I just gonna return it also. So return, I'm gonna create a method like which will merge both of array in the single array, and after sorting it will I'll just give the output. So for merge, what I need, my first parameter will be merge sort left, then after merge sort of right array. Just cut this line, I do not need this, and also you understand all up about left and right array, so I just gonna remove this line as well. Now it's time to declare our method for merge. So I'm gonna create a function that will be const merge. As we've seen already, I had passed two arguments inside our merge method. So first parameter will be left, which holding the left array, and next parameter will be right array. As we need to merge both of array in a single array, for this I'm gonna take a variable result array, in slices with empty array, and also I need the index of both the left array and right array, and I'm gonna initialize both of with 0. After that I'm gonna create a while loop, like if our left index will be less than our left length of our left array, and right index will less than of our right array, then it will gonna push the check the condition whether left array particular value or as the index of left array is greater or less than the right array, and push that element in result array accordingly. Also it will gonna increase the index number as well, like as starting I has taken it 0, and after inserting the one element it will increase the counter of the index. So just write the condition. So while left index is less than left dot length, and I'm going to use here or operator, which will check both of the condition. If both of the condition are true, then it will execute the inner portion of the loop. So right index if is less than right dot length, what you're gonna do next, you will check the condition. So if left is the array, as I had used it as a parameter, and if you see the argument, I got this from the merge sort method. So if index of left array, so what is left index is less than right into right index, so this will give us the true or false whether index of 0 of our left array is less than index of 0 of our right array. So based on it will return as true or false, and if it is less, we are sorting array in ascending order. What I'm going to do, I'm passing the result array dot push the value of left into left index, and increment the index by 1. And if this condition is false, what it's going to do, I'm I'm going to just pass the value of our right index in our right array and pass its value in a result array. Okay, now that's good. At last, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just return the result array. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna concat it with the subarray, like concat left dot slice, and inside slice I'm gonna pass the left index, and also concat right dot slice, and inside it I'm gonna pass right index. As the remaining element will be concat with our result array. So just save this, make semicolon here, and let's move to our browser and let's see the output. Push is not defined. Here I'm get the error. There should be dot. There you can see uh, I just write the wrong message here. Let's make it correct as well, and this will become our sorted array. Like at starting um, I was having an unsorted array, and I print it in the console for unsorted array and array. After that, for console.log for sorted array, I just call the merge sort method that divides our array into part left and right portion, and make the recursive call here as I as you've seen already. And after that, divide the array. It's gonna merge both of the array in the ascending order, and here is it holds the two parameter of our right array and left array, and we merge both of array in our result array and return it. This return statement holds the value of our result array, and from there it returns the value to our merge sort into array, our function call, and then we're able to see the proper output. Let's move to browser, refresh it. There you can see, first of all, we have 5 4 3 2 1, and after sort the array we have 1 2 3 4 5. So that's all for today video. If you enjoy the video, then like the video. Also, if you are new, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.